Now we are going to do fegato alla veneziana.
Fegato alla veneziana, meaning Venetian liver.
Yeah.
And fegato is the Italian word, but of course in Veneto they say...
Oh, fegato.
Fegato,
Fegatini.
with a D.
Yes, it's because we have different words for big and small.
Small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
El fegato
Yeah.
is a big one.
For all those Veneti at home that will be understanding this,
and
yes.
fegadini, it's the small.
Yeah, they
small
substitute
pieces.
the T with the D, believe it or not, so it's a nya sound, isn't it? Very sing-songy kind of dialect, the Veneto. All right, so tell me the first stages of this dish.
Yeah, now we need onion, a lot of onion. We can take,
Just brown onions?
Yes, brown onion. We need to cut and alla veneziana. We know this kind of.
So alla veneziana always means with onions, Nicola.
Yeah, it's very thin and very slice of onion.
Yes.
Now we peel and thanks.
I'll be your apprentice. I'm a good apprentice, all right.
Now we cut in half.
Yes.
And we did a very, very small slice.
Very, very finely sliced for our viewers at home. And the point about that is that I guess during the cooking process, it will disintegrate and won't take so long to cook.
Yeah, we have to cook with a very, very low fire.
Yes.
And oil and butter. And the onion don't have to go crispy.
No.
But very
soft
and
sweet, nearly caramelized. So that will obviously flavour the liver.
Yeah.
There we go. So for our viewers at home attempting this, do it nice and slowly as Nicola is. You can see, doesn't matter how long it takes you, but we want to attain a very, very fine slice of this white onion. And very soon we're both going to start crying because I can feel it already. Okay.
Okay, now we have...
So Nicola, we cut the slice and we don't chop them up finely. Always leave a nice long slice?
Yeah, it's very good that you find a big piece of onion.
Okay.
But soft.
Okay.
And the look you have to find.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, benissimo. Like so you're going to leave these in small pieces?
Because we cook very fast.
Okay.
And for a couple of seconds.
Okay.
Just for burn a little bit here.
Just so you actually coat the sides with the oil and the heat?
Yeah, and a little bit crow inside.
Yeah, a little bit. So we let the liver stay nice and pink. Yeah. You could even do this for a snack rather than even having as a meal. You could do this and put it on crostini bread, couldn't you?
Yeah, for sure.
Beautiful.
Oil.
For our viewers at home, just to remind you that the principal cooking fat in the northern part of Italy usually, of course, is butter. And these days they team it with oil, 50-50 as my mother used to do. In the old days they used to use a lot more butter, whereas in the southern part of Italy they always use oil on its own. But I guess the butter gives it a creaminess and nuttiness and, you know, it, I don't know, really does change the texture of the dish. We don't want to be talking about cholesterol, do we, Nicola?
Yeah, maybe it's not good for cholesterol, but we don't care very much this one because the product is...
Yeah, you need it for... Yeah. What he's saying is that the butter certainly enhances the flavour of certain dishes. All right, so off we go. It's on. Beautiful.
Now, we leave the onion.
And as Nicola has said, the most important part of this dish is to cook the onions very, very slow on a low flame.
We need very, very low flame.
Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Allora, Nick, what's the next step?
Now we are going to cook the livers.
Okay. So the onions are beautifully caramelised there.
Yeah, we need butter.
Butter? You don't want to burn the butter, do you? Just
no. Yeah. Butter. Okay. And pepper.
So we season our liver. Fegato, as I would say.
Now, something.
As you can see, it's just a really quick cooking. He wants it to remain pink.
Very hard fire.
Yes. So this is a dish which is great for a dinner party because it's very quick to do, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very, very quick.
and we let the ingredients speak for themselves. Now, as Nicola is doing this, I must remind our viewers at home that there are various variations of this that the Veneti do, because I know that my mother always adds sage. Nicola's choosing not to do that. And also, sometimes in Venice, they have a spruzzata di limone, which is a lemon squeeze. So, you know, depending on where you go, they all have their ways. Okay, off we go.
Okay, now it's ready. We put in the onion.
Beautiful. You amalgamate it.
Yeah.
Look at that, it smells beautiful.
Fantastic. And we have a lot of onion, maybe the same quantity of onion and fegato.
So the ratio of onions to liver should be the same, literally.
We put more pepper, we need a lot of pepper.
Of course, in the Veneto region, you know, the pepper is left over from the trading partners of Venice, from the east.
And now chop parsley.
Prezzemolo tritato molto fino. E molto, lots of it, folks. Yes.
You need.
Prezzemolo is one of those herbs that's used a lot in the north, isn't it? Lots and lots and lots. Bello, look at that. Simplistic.
Okay, now we are ready.
Here we go. Bit of toast on the plate. It's as simple as that. I guess when you're doing things like this, as you say, the ingredients all speak for themselves, because you can taste the liver, you can still taste the onions. The butter gives it that lovely nutty flavour.
Yeah, and it's a very sweet dish.
Yes, yes.
Everything is. And we have the pepper that gives him a
density.
little bit of,
So say it again for me.
Oh.
Say it again. Fegato.
Fegato alla veneziana.
Alla veneziana. There you go.
Bye bye, ciao!
Ciao!
Ciao! Ciao! E bevete, dai! Buon